charge memo?
Lordship. The charge memo, my lords, if your lordship should kindly come to LPA brief itself, my lords, at page 84.
LPA.
Lordship, LPA brief also I have given for appreciation, my lords. Kindly come to page 84. Therefore,
Why you did not attend inquiry?
my lords, that is what I have. Since it is the admitted case that he was suffering from S2 depression, so he was absolved of the armed duty and he was given civilian duty.
And appeal and revision were decided in the year 2012.
My lords, the final order.
In 2013.
Thereafter, another is.
Correct. Where is the provision? Where is the provision for second revision?
Of course, there is the provision for revision, my lords, in the CRPF Act, my lords. My lords, this appeal is against the writ order by which the prayer for washing off the dismissal order and appellate order of the petitioner from service has been rejected. The petitioner had been appointed as a constable in the CRPF in the year 2003. And then, my lords, while he was posted at the headquarters in New Delhi, that is at Bhavana, New Delhi, in 2010.
Bhavana or Bhavan? Bhavana or Bhavan?
Bhavan, B-A-W-A-N-A, Bhavana, whatever pronunciation it may be, New Delhi.
What is meant by that? Oh, is it not a guest house? Oh. Constable in India.
So, Lordship, in
Where is the charge memo?
Lordship, the charge memo, my lords, if your lordship should kindly come to LPA brief itself, my lords, at page 84.
LPA.
Lordship, LPA brief also I have given for appreciation, my lords. Kindly come to page 84. This was the covering letter, 18 October 2010. And the charge at page 87, if your lordship should kindly see, there are two charges, Mad 1, Mad 2. Meaning thereby, my lords, the allegation is that on 22nd of September 2010, it is said.
Sir, from the article of charge you read.
Mad 1, Mad, yeah, I am reading.
Page 84.
Page 84 is the covering letter.
What is meant by Mad?
Mad means item.
Item.
My lords. Item number 1, item number 2. My lords. That at page 86, my lords. Mad 1, Mad 2.
No, 86 is annexure 4, list of documents.
Lordships are saying LPA brief.
Yes, LPA only.
Annexure 1 series date 18/10/2010, that is from.
Sir, page 84, what you are saying is, if I am correct, it is the statement of imputation. Charge is at page 83.
Then, my lords, I am sorry, my paging may be go ahead. Yes. Mad 1, that is the charge.
Yes.
यह कि उक्त बल संख्या स्वयं सिपाही, my lord sir, what is my lord?
No, this is not the page. There is no pagination. No, UPA.
LP, there are no pages.
Page 84. Page 84. This is the chart.
Lordships. यह कि उक्त बल संख्या सिपाही स्वयं GD विष्णु शंकर आजाद स्वयं E94 बटालियन में कार्यरत रहते हुए केंद्रीय रिजर्व पुलिस बल अधिनियम स्वयं 1949 की धारा 11(1) के अधीन बल के सदस्य होने की हैसियत से कदाचार का कार्य किया, जिससे वह तेज बारिश के दौरान
Understood.
Okay. Right. Okay. This lady constable,
Her name is there now.
Preeti Kumar.
where is the evidence of Preeti Kumari?
It is all ex parte. I was never noticed, my lords, that was the crux of the matter which your lordships had taken.
Preeti Kumari was not examined.
No. That is, Preeti Kumar was examined.
Yes.
All behind my back. Therefore, you're in
No,
the.
why you did not attend inquiry?
My lords, that is what I have. Since it is the admitted case that he was suffering from S2 depression, so he was absolved of the armed duty and he was given civilian duty. When he was in civilian duty, his duty was to serve water in all the quarters.
Sir, whatever it may be, what is the reason for not attending the inquiry?
Because he was under treatment at PMCH here and
During which period he was admitted as an inpatient?
what as inpatient he was.
Then-
He is a native of Buxar and he was under treatment at Patna,
Show
Buxar.
us that he was admitted in a hospital.
No document
Then
of.
you don't have case.
My lords, the matter.
Ex parte inquiry cannot be set aside on this court that you are suffering from certain illness
My lords, since there was
and sitting at home.
there was no communication on that score. Your lordships were pleased to. My lords may have a look at the order of this honorable court 29/11/2000.
Inquiring officer records who is
They have not produced. That is exactly. This is what your lordships had asked them.
inquiry for his appearance on particular dates. So and so.
And the notice was that the inquiry will be held at Bhavana, New Delhi, and they have conducted at Khunti, Jharkhand. Now, your lordships, pursuant to your lordships order 29 November, they have filed a supplementary affidavit, counter affidavit, saying that the division had been shifted to Khunti, and therefore, to that extent, unless I get a notice, my lords, I was never noticed. And that I will demonstrate only from 2-3 documents.
Earlier, your lordship have called for record, my lord.
Take mine. What is this? Take mine.
Ample opportunity has been granted by him, my lord. He never appear, my lord, or defended this case, my lord.
Page 90, if my lord would be kind enough to say, the letter that they had addressed, which was do not serve on 13/4/2011, they issue a notice that the inquiry will be held at Bhavana. At page 90 of the LPA brief, my lords would see. Paging may be,
That letter did.
it was never served on me, that is what. And I have stated that the inquiry would be at Bhavana, Delhi was never served on me. And then later they say,
Why the writ petition was filed in the year 2017 with reference to penalty order dated 22/8/2012
my lords,
and appeal and revision were decided in the year 2012.
my lords, the final order that was passed was, my lords,
2014, second revision where there is no provision.
of course he had gone for second revision.
No, it was decided in 2014.
True, my lords.
Writ was filed in 2017. Thereafter, no notice.
And that letter, my lords, of
Sir, explain delay and latches.
Of course, final order, my lords, of the DG was in 2014, but he came in with,
Actually, it is on 10/7/2013.
Thereafter, another is.
Correct, where is the provision? Where is the provision? For second revision.
Of course, there is the provision for revision, my lords, in the CRPF Act, my lords.
CRPF person,
Yes, Central Reserve Police.
then he is unfit.
Lords, but he had been given the civil duty, and only on the ground that since he was suffering from some depressive illness.
Sorry, sir, if he is so serious relating to illness, one can understand. Huh? He is not a inpatient, outpatient treatment.
But one thing.
What is the date difference? Date of closure for the respondent. Defendants. Evidence was closed by the inquiring authority.
One glaring aspect of the matter, my lords, in their communication dated 13/4/2011 at page 90, your lordships have seen, that they say that the inquiry would take place at Bhavana. And they admitted in their last affidavit, they admit that since the headquarters had been shifted to Khunti, Jharkhand, they conducted at Khunti. And in the disciplinary order also by which the punishment was awarded, if my lord would kindly see Annexure 3 in the writ petition.
Disciplinary authority, who is the disciplinary authority?
The disciplinary authority is the commandant of the CRPF.
Huh?
Commandant of the.
Then how this writ petition is maintainable? You have to approach Jharkhand.
All the communications were being done and made.
No. Disciplinary authority order is in Jharkhand.
Yes,
And
sir.
further, the DIG is Jharkhand, IG is Jharkhand, special DG is Kolkata,
Is Kolkata.
the DG is New Delhi. This court has no jurisdiction at all.
My lords, at this forum, at this stage, if issue of.
Now, even on merits, you don't have case.
On merits, my lords, only two things, if your lordship should kindly permit.
Sir, you have waived off your right in participating in the inquiry.
Lords,
There are no genuine reasons.
on that score, if I am able to satisfy your lordship.
No, we'll just say that this court has no jurisdiction.
That is of.
You can take up this matter to Jharkhand.
But the evidence was closed on 15th of June.
15th of June.
Because all the communications were being sent to his residence in Bihar, Buxar, and therefore he took shelter of this honorable court in writ.
If you were supposed to appear before that place in Bhavana,
Bhavana, Delhi.
the jurisdiction of would have been of Delhi High Court.
Certainly. But
You have heard that fact that inquiry should have been held in Delhi.
no, I'm not, but they admit that the inquiry was held in Jharkhand in the disciplinary order, my lords, and not only that. After the inquiry report was submitted, my lords, they have taken examination of further materials and all behind my back, that there is no denial.
No, you have been transferred to Jharkhand?
No, I was never.
Then-
Camp was shifted to that.
Camp was shifted from Bhavana.
Why the inquiry has been held in Jharkhand?
It camp was shifted. That CRPF camp which was in Bhavana, it was shifted to Jharkhand.
That means he is also.
Yes.
Then he is saying no.
No, he was supposed to. If we were there, he ought to have been shifted. After duty suspension, he's not shifted to Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. Correct. And Jharkhand, rightly they have held.
previous order sheet.
What should we pass orders on merit or jurisdiction?
Yes, jurisdiction.
Jurisdiction will decide that the writ is not maintainable.
You will have to litigate again, my lords.
Huh?
You will have to litigate again then.
If you want decision on merits also, we are going to discuss.
No, no, my lords. On this,
You can take chance before the Jharkhand High Court.
as your lordship.
Today we have perused the records and found that the writ petition itself is not maintainable in view of the fact that civil authority, the commandant office is situated in the state of Jharkhand, and further all higher authorities to the commandant office are situated in Ranchi, state of Jharkhand, and New Delhi. Therefore, writ petition itself is not maintainable. Accordingly, writ petition stands dismissed. In the result, LPA stand dismissed, reserving liberty to the appellant to invoke jurisdiction, invoke remedy before the jurisdictional forum